In this video, we're going to have a look at how you can quickly create an invoice based on an estimate. You can see that there's a couple of icons. So if we click on Invoices, and then we click on Add, we can see that it's automatically transferred all of the content from the estimate into the invoice. Now you can go in and edit the amounts of the invoice if you're invoicing the customer for a deposit, or you could actually go in and invoice the customer for more than the estimate. But this is just a very quick way of transferring the data from the estimate into the invoice. And then you just follow the normal process for creating an invoice. You just create it by clicking on Save, and then you can preview it. And this is still a draft invoice, but this has all been taken straight from the estimate. And then we can just finalize it. And you can also see that this particular invoice is automatically linked to that particular estimate. You can create an invoice based on an estimate in seconds.